Good morning and happy Friday, everybody. Today we're going to read a fun story. I'm Miss Nikki from the Mom and Dad Project, and I'm just going to talk for a couple minutes because sometimes people take a couple seconds to join us. But we're going to read this fun little story, 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed, and it's by Eileen Cristolo. And do you guys jump on your bed? I don't think we're supposed to. So let's find out when these 5 little monkeys jump on the bed and what happens. Have you read this story before? It's kind of funny. So here we go. 5 little monkeys. And do you see their bed? I put the bed right up here. So there's their bed. Let's see what happens. It was bedtime. So 5 little monkeys took a bath. 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. And 5 little monkeys said goodnight to their mama. Night, mama. And then 5 little monkeys jumped on their bed. Should we count them together? 1, they're in their pajamas. 2, 3, what comes after 3? 4, and 5 little monkeys are jumping on the bed. They seem like naughty little monkeys to me. What happens, do you think? So, one fell off and bumped his head. So he falls off and bumps his head. The mama called the doctor. So there's the mama. Oh no. And she calls the doctor. And the doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Do you think they're going to listen? Well, let's find out. So, 4 little monkeys jumped on the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4. One fell off and bumped her head. So Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed, and another one fell off and bumped her head. Mama, here's our mama, called the doctor, and the doctor said, what do you think? What do you think? Say with me. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 2 little monkeys jumped on the bed. 1 fell off and bumped his head. What happened? Do you want to say with me what happened? Here we go. Ready? So the mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 1 little monkey was jumping on the bed, and what do you think happened? He fell off and he bumped his head. So, next what happened is, what do you think? Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, what? Say it with me again. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So, all our little monkeys got back in their bed, and then they fell hopefully fast asleep. Thank goodness, said the mama. Now I can go to bed. The end. So, I don't think we're supposed to be jumping on the bed. Do you? You guys have fun today, and next week we'll read some more stories.